In a criminal trial, the charge is supposed to match the evidence. The grand jury returned an indictment for intentional murder.
That accusation meant one thing.
The state had to prove the defendant intentionally caused the death. But as the trial unfolded, something unusual began to appear in the record. Witness testimony, forensic evidence, and the physical facts presented to the jury. All of it pointed in a direction that did not match the accusation in the indictment. In fact, the evidence raised a question that should have stopped the prosecution's theory in its tracks. Because if the evidence does not support the charge returned by the grand jury, the case is supposed to end there. That is one of the most basic protections in the American justice system. The government cannot simply continue a prosecution when the evidence fails to support the accusation. But in this case, something else happened. The trial did not stop. Instead, the case moved forward toward a moment that would change everything. A moment that would raise a serious constitutional question. What happens when the evidence in a trial no longer matches the accusation that began the case? That moment is coming next.